So can you just... Oh, wow. Welcome to the Trail Boss Squad. My name's John, and we're shining the light of Christ one ride at a time. And guys, I needed a new jack. My other one played out, and I was looking for one that didn't cost a whole lot. Went to Walmart and found this Hart 2-ton, low-profile, Super Duty floor jack, and it also has a foot assist. What in the world is that? Well, we'll find out here in just a little bit. So we'll do a quick review of this. I couldn't find anything on YouTube. You may have been the same way, and so this may be the only one, but I'll show you what it can pick up, how it works, and let you know if it's the right choice for you. Let's go. So we have got the 2-ton Super Duty garage jack that is ultra low profile. At least that's what it says on the package. They have this at Walmart. At the time I purchased this, it was $110. Now I was looking for a fairly inexpensive jack. The one I have just kind of quit working on me. I tried to fill it with hydraulic fluid, and I just couldn't ever get it to work. It would go up, but it just wouldn't stay up. And so I know a lot of y'all could fix it. I spent hours on it, putting fluid in and out of it. And so I saw this at Walmart. I went in there to get the Hyper Tough one for $100, 3-ton jack. But I saw this one, looked a little bit nicer. It was only $10 more, but the Hyper Tough did advertise as a 3-ton jack. So we're going to see if this one will lift up a truck. Now I've got a Silverado 1500 Trail Boss that hopefully this will lift. Of course, we lift side-by-sides on the channel. If you all watch us, we do a lot with the jacks. So hopefully this will get us going. It is ultra low profile. And so we should be able to squeeze this even under a fairly low car. This is really heavy, but I've never seen a floor jack that wasn't. And yes, it is very low profile indeed. So let's go ahead and stick this in the end of it. Looks like we've got a little retainer clip here we'll take out. And there we go. So if this operates like other jacks, you'll just kind of twist it and push it back here. And so we do see that it works. Very smooth operation. One of the reasons I went with this one versus the 3-ton, this one actually advertised as lifting higher. And I actually need that because the things I'm lifting up are quite tall. I wonder some of these have the ability to go higher or lower with the top. It looks like this spins, but it doesn't actually raise up. So I wish it did because I like that, but it's not a deal breaker because I wasn't sure it had it at all. So it advertises as 18.5 inches. The 3-ton was a little bit shorter, like 18 and 5/16 inches. And so we just twist it back the other way to let it down so it does operate like we would think. Now, I did say that it came with this this foot assist. Not entirely sure what it does. It's diamond plate, so it's pretty good looking. And it looks like we've got, hopefully you can tell, we've got 2 screws on the back of this. So it would appear that this would just go right here. What does it assist with? I'm not sure, but we'll check the instructions if we can't figure it out. So we'll just take these off. They do have some lock washers, so we'll make sure that we put those back on before we insert these. Now, I'm assuming we're going to have diamond plate up because it is the prettier side. And I don't know why they would put diamond plate on it if you never seen it. So let's go ahead, get these put in here. And really, that's all there is to it. This thing is ready to go, as far as I can tell. It is super low profile. I'll pull my other 3-ton jack out over here. We are going to put it under a few things and just see if it lifts it up. And so, okay, that's actually moving the... So can you just... Oh, wow. I have to look and see. That's really cool. That's super cool, guys. I didn't know what that was supposed to do. So if you're in a really tight spot, and I have been that way, especially in my garage, where I couldn't really get this, you can really do this with no space at all. And it goes quick, too. It's actually easier than doing the lever. Wow, I like that. And then, of course, you still need the lever. I don't think there's like a reverse option for the foot, but wow, I like that. So no, you can't just get rid of your lever and just have this because you still need to loosen it. But you can just put your foot on this and lift it up. I really like that. Okay, so will it lift up anything? That's the question. Let's see. But before that, we'll put it next to my 3-ton jack. All right, so I've got both of these jacks side by side, and they are quite different. You see, the handle of the 3-ton is quite taller, and if we come here and look at the side profiles, there's quite a bit of difference as well. Obviously, the 3-ton jack sits up a lot higher as far as the footprint. This is also a little bit shorter, and the wheels are a little bit smaller. Now, I actually like the smaller one because it's quite a bit of a pain to move this big one around. Now, the biggest thing I'm ever going to probably lift is a 1500 truck, and I'm usually not lifting it, but just far enough to get the wheels off the ground. So I'm going to lift up both of these and kind of judge their heights. I don't know what the specifications of this one are, but at least we can have something to compare it to. Okay, so I've got them both lifted up to full height, and we can tell that the 3-ton, at least in this model, is just ever so slightly taller, but it is negligible. This one also, and it's a Banner brand, and it's been a good one. Had it for at least 10 years, and I just can't quite get it to work right, but it's very comparable as far as height goes. Now, I usually put a couple pieces of wood on here because I usually need that extra bit of lift. Now, with this one, I really have to have a whole lot of room to work it because the handle is long, and of course, with it not working right, it really wants to only jack at the very end of the stroke. Or this one, oh man, this foot thing's worth it. I've never even seen that. When I bought this, I seen it's had a foot assist, but I really thought it was just to kind of help you push it around. I didn't know it did that. So they advertise this as being 18.5 inches of max clearance, and then right at 3 inches of low clearance. And so that's where this one would definitely shine, but we need to test and see, can it even lift anything? Now, I have this side by side lifted, and I'm pretty sure I'll have to put a block of wood under it because even with my 3-ton jack, this was still a little bit too tall. So let's see if that'll be enough. I am kind of pushed up against the table in here, but with this, really doesn't matter. That's worth it just for that, guys. Let's see if it'll actually pick it up, though. If it'll even be tall enough. Okay, so when you have some pressure, you actually kind of got to stand on it. You got to put a little weight on it, but it does go up just fine. Of course, these floor jacks kind of suck up underneath when they're moving. That's supposed to happen. I'm just doing this all by foot. And that's as tall as it'll go with that wood block. Still going to need a little bit more. Not this thing's fault. I just really want to see if it would lift it. And it'll take care of a side by side, no problem. This thing maybe weighs 1,200 pounds. And we're only picking up the top of it. Let's go ahead and ease it down. Eases down really nice and easy. So it didn't have any trouble picking it up, but we need to try it on a truck. I did go ahead and add another wood block just to see, and it does pick this up. Now, you don't want to leave it like that. That's where you go and get your jack stands. but it works. Okay, I kept pulling this handle out on accident, but it does have that feature where you can unscrew this, and there's a little dent in there. And once you unscrew it and you put it in, you can push this back in, and now it's in there. I mean, if you're strong enough, you can pick the whole thing up, which is good because that was kind of annoying me popping out. So that's fixed. Now, I know it's called a foot assist, but I actually think it works better as a hand assist. So once I get under here and I figure out where I want my blocks at, I can actually just do it with my hand. It's not really that difficult, and I can really kind of line it up a whole lot better than trying to work this thing while I'm sitting down and maybe hit your truck. That makes it worth it just right there. That's so easy. So will this thing pick up our truck? We're going to find out together. So let's go ahead and see what it will do. Is this thing strong enough? Getting a little harder to push the handle, but it is picking it up. I do have a wood block underneath it, just so I can have that additional height, though I don't know that it was necessary. Yes, it can pick up your truck. Now, this is where you get the jack stands out and you put them under here. But it definitely picked my truck up. What about the foot pedal? Well, once you get so much weight on it, you got to really jump on it. So, which I think I've actually got it almost maxed out. The foot pedal, once you get a lot of weight on it, doesn't seem to help near as much. But when you're just getting started and you want to just get it up to level instead of doing this a few times, that makes it a whole lot easier just to get it there. So what are my final thoughts on this Hart low profile 2-ton garage jack? Well, honestly, it's all I need. I've had that 3-ton jack forever and I loved it, but it's huge and hard to move around. Not that this is lightweight by any means, but it's considerably less than that big one. It did push my truck up into the air. That'll be the heaviest thing I ever lift with this. It's only 18.5 inches. That 3-ton jack I have is pretty much within 1/4 of an inch, the same amount of lift. And so I am going to have to, use some wood blocks. Be careful when you do that. If you don't feel comfortable with that, maybe look at one that goes higher up. But at Walmart, it was either Hyper Tough or this. And this actually lifted a little bit higher than that Hyper Tough did, at least according to the box. So I think this is a great buy. The foot thing is nice, but once you really get it something heavy on it, unless you weigh a lot and you can kind of jump on it, it won't do you a whole lot of good. But just sliding it under there and stepping it on a few times just to get it up to level instead of working the handle, really handy. And so I definitely recommend the 2-ton Hart low profile foot pedal assist Super Duty garage jack. I'm reading the box in case you're wondering. I got it right back there. And it does say right on the box, always use jack stands. So definitely do that. Be safe out there, guys. Don't do anything crazy. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, Jesus loves you so much he died for you, and all the honor and glory goes to God. Good night, good trails, and God bless.